Hello everyone. Yes. Today we are continuing our chapter number 11, light, shadow and reflection. We had learned about what is light, what is shadow and what is reflection. And I hope all the concepts are clear about this light, shadow and reflection. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is what a real image and virtual image. Okay, yes, so first of all we will see about what is real image. Okay, the real image means an image which we can obtain on a screen. Okay, for example, my this hand, it is a screen, and I have one projector over here. And when I'm project something on this, so I can obtain on this screen. Screen means on which we can obtain any image. That medium, it is known as screen. Okay. For example, when you see in your smart room, okay, smart classroom, in a projector, in theater, at that time you see the projector, it is a backside and it is showing that image on that screen. Okay, that means what? That image can obtain on a screen. Clear? So that's why that projector image, which is real image, okay, that is a real image because we can obtain on a screen. Okay, and the second, that is virtual image. Now, what about the virtual image? The image which we cannot obtain on a screen. For example, mirror. Okay, when you see yourself in the mirror, okay, can you obtain that image on any screen or other screen? No. As you go back from the mirror, that means what? That image will also disappear. Okay, go back means when you aside from that mirror face, then you cannot see yourself in that mirror. Clear about that? Yes, because in the mirror there is the virtual images form. It is not an actual image. The same way when we see in that still water, okay, that image is also what? Virtual image. Okay, when you see in that still water, you can see that image of that nature around that. That image you can see, that is also virtual image. Why virtual? Because it is not actually present there. Clear? Only this the concept. Real image means what? The image is present there, and virtual image means the image is not present there. Okay, and we cannot obtain that image on the screen. Clear? This is the only concept. Now we will see about a pinhole camera. Okay, now what is a pinhole camera? See, actually it is a very good science project, okay, in which we can see one physical activity of that light. Okay, in that pinhole camera, it is nothing, it is just a box. Okay, in that box, we just placed, there is at one side a translucent screen, and the opposite of that, we will make a small hole. Okay, so this way our pinhole camera will form. Okay, now this pinhole camera is ready. Now when we see at a translucent screen, so what happened? You can see in this image, see there is a tree present. Okay, there is a tree and this is our pinhole camera. Okay, yes. What about this tree? Tree is luminous object or non-luminous object? Yes, obviously it is non-luminous object because that tree, that it don't have its own light, right? Yes, but why we can see it? Because it reflects its light in all the direction. Okay, good. So this is the main concept. And second, that is light travels in a straight line. Okay, because of this concept, we can understand how this pinhole camera is work. Okay, yeah. So what happened when you can see this tree? Okay, tree. This is the upper part, that is canopy or leaf part, and this is the base, that is the trunk of tree. Okay. Now you can see that light which is passed from the top of the tree, it will pass through that hole and it is appear on that translucent screen. Okay, and the same way the bottom side, that light will go from that hole and appears on translucent screen. So when you see this image, okay, so what happens? The actual tree, it is an erect image, but when we see in the pinhole camera, it is inverted. Why inverted? Understand? Because that upper light ray, it will going down, and down light ray will going up. Okay, and because of that, what happened? In between the images formed, it is inverted. Understand? And why inverted? Because of the principle that light travels in a straight line. Okay, and because of that only we can see or we can obtain this image is a inverted image. Okay, now just think about this. We can obtain this image on a translucent screen. That means this image will be real image. Understand? Because we can obtain on a screen, and this is inverted image. And what about the size? It is depend on the length of that object, which object we are seeing from the pinhole camera. Okay, as this distance increase, then the image of this formed by the on that translucent screen, it will be also changed. Okay, so this is our pinhole camera. Now the next is our periscope. Okay, the periscope, it is a device which is used to see the higher view than the normal. Okay, for example, I'm sitting here. If I want to see the above my this floor, so how can I see? Yes, I have to go on from the stairs and then I can see upside. Okay, but I want to see from here only. So what I will do? I will use of this periscope. Okay, if I will have periscope, then I can see from here of the higher view. Okay, how? Let's see in this diagram. Okay, so you can see in this diagram, this is the what our periscope. Okay, this periscope has two opening. One is upside, one is bottom side. Okay, so what? From upside, the light rays which will come in the periscope, and see here where you can find the a mirror. Which mirror will be there? There are two plane mirrors are used. How many? Two plane mirrors are used, and that both plane mirrors, they are placed at a 45-degree angle. Which angle? 45-degree angle, and they both are parallel to each other. You can see in this diagram. Okay, and they both are make a 45 of angle from that periscope. Okay, edge of this periscope. So what happened when the light ray is coming in? Okay, inside the periscope, it will reflect on that mirror, and that mirror will reflect that light in the second mirror. Okay, because there is 45 angle, so here it will also make the 45 angle. Okay, and then this light will go out from that periscope with the help of this second mirror. Okay, which is placed at the bottom. And when the viewer see that image, and this way that viewer can see the image by the reflection of light. Okay, here is also the concept of two things. First, light travels in a straight line, and second, of that reflection of light. Which reflection? Regular reflection. The first light is come, then it will be reflect. Which reflection? Regular. So all light ray will be reflect down. Then again, here is plane mirror at a 45. So all the light rays will be reflect, and it will enter through the viewer's eyes. So this is our device, which is periscope, and this device which gives us higher view than the normal. Understand?